Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Cindy here with another video. In today's video, I'm just doing a quick little get ready with me. I was actually getting ready to go to an interview for another little job that I'm trying to pick up. All about my coins, anyway. If you guys see me talking in this video, I was talking to my mom, so just a little FYI. And also, what's on my face, it is color corrector. Was just trying to color correct any dark marks that I had on my face before I started to do my makeup. So yeah, I won't be doing too much talking in this video. All products that I used, or at least the ones that I can find online, will be linked in the description box below, so if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. Without further ado, let's jump right in.
Razor blade, a heartstring. Who you tryna fix now? Broken record left on repeat. Another build up to a lay down. Let down, steady speeding on a new plane. Tragic collision on the 110. And I wish that you would slow down. Maybe then you see it coming. I'm saying, chapters, pages torn, hanging on to every word. Tequila shots to balance all the sweetest that you're taking back. How long will you waiting? Will you take me before you give up? Bones are meant to break in here, hearts are meant to break in love. Way too smart for this, but your problem is don't know better, babe. But you're better, babe. Running through the darkness, but you're looking for the light. Searching through the city for what's been here all this time. I struggle to get out my bed, 'cause anything and everything is running through my head. And I lock myself inside my room sometimes for days at a time when my mind can get too cool. And if I try, I might find a perfect way to fuck up any person getting too close, 'cause I'm way too fucked up. Probably haven't hit you back 'cause I'm just way too undone. So blame it on my schedule, but I'm just unplugged. And I think I'm gonna puke. Can't trust it, I won't do something reckless, I regret it in a few. I might be half human, half stupid, half foolish, half doing anything and everything, and nothing gets accomplished, 'cause I'm half wasted, half patient, half confident, and all naked. Either love it or you hate it, but really I just want someone to love me. But I don't love myself enough to let nobody love me. That's why I push away in case this wall is crumbling. I'm sending damage 'cause I'm damaged, heart is famished, though abandoned, I still manage to mismanage. Broken legs from my crash landing, I'm asking for a friend and not me. Is life really a gift if you ain't asking to be? I tried to set myself free, but the belt snapped off on me. Laid unconscious next to monsters in a puddle of pleas. And I don't ask for help too much, my pride is dead as the sea. And I'm still drunk off of my ego. Had $1 million that God gave me, but I ended up staring at a bank account with a zero. But boy, oh boy, I had a hell of a run. I remember long nights working till I seen the sun. And we can rush all we want, The earth waits for no one, and we can all come together and watch it all come undone. Yeah, yeah. Maybe I wasn't there. Razor blade, a heartstring. Who you tryna fix now? Broken record left on repeat. Another build up to a lay down. Let down, steady speeding on a new plane. Tragic collision on the 110. And I wish that you would slow down. Maybe then you see it coming. I'm saying, chapters, pages torn, hanging on to every word. Tequila shots to balance all the sweetest like you're taking burn. How long will you waiting? Will you take me before you give up? Bones are meant to break in here, hearts are meant to break in love. Way too smart for this, but your problem is you don't know better, babe. But you're better, babe. Running through the darkness, but you're looking for the light. Searching through the city for what's been here all this time.
And we have come to the end of yet another video. If you guys enjoyed this one, be sure to give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I am coming with the back-to-back uploads this weekend, so check back tomorrow sometime in the afternoon to evening time for my next video. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Your support is greatly appreciated, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.